guys, today is very important video about my hair fall in Canada. When I came in Canada, my hair fall so bad. I tried a lot of medicines, shampoo and vitamins, but nothing worked. So I found that water in Canada is hard water, containing a lot of elements like a lot of calcium and a lot of salt in it. So that's why my hair fall gonna be so bad. So I found out an instrument about soft water. So I bought it, and about 70 to 80% of my hair fall problem gonna be solved. And now I'm telling you about how to use this product and how my hair fall gonna be stopped. So let's get started, and I'll show you that how I use this product. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.